Hey, what's up, guys? I'm in Costa Rica in the Arenal volcano walk, and I'm about to eat some live termites. So, this gentleman told me it's packed with protein.
I was born in
You just
New
have to
Jersey.
take them. You killed it really soft. Like that.
Yeah, my parents,
You lost your termite.
my father came 72.
And then
Kill 'em?
My mother came
And then you just
74.
eat them.
And just eat it.
Yeah. It tastes like green pepper.
My father is from
Here's
a little
here's
village,
one
outside
Here's
of
a little
Karakuri.
termite.
Where is that?
Oh, okay. And then my mother is from Arenal. And then,
Oops.
Oh my God.
Darn thing doesn't want to get eaten. Here's a termite.
Okay.
I just
My
killed it.
grandfather,
Ready?
Rising
Yep.
Studio?
There it is.
No, he owned
Bon
it.
appetit.
Oh yeah, it is a long time ago, but he owned it.
It's like a little pepper. It's not bad. I'm just like a little pepper. I'm telling you. Y'all gotta try some of
Lick
these
the
termites.
stick.
Are you sure, guys, that you don't want to try a termite?
It tastes like a little pepper.
They're good.
Hey man, if it came
No?
down to it, I would for sure.
Salty.
Yeah.
I've been my graduate.
You want more? You can take the stick if you want.
All these Americans come here and then destroy natural resources.
There it is.
Oh my goodness.
Salty. It's like eating popcorn. You're right. It's like having popcorn.
Oh my.
And now you have to eat another animal that tastes like coke.